Hello everyone. Today I bring you one of our biggest and best updates. Batch Render Creator is a render queue for Blender that offers a free version for anyone who wants to use it. It includes a solid auto recovery system in case Blender closes unexpectedly, helping you avoid wasting time or having to constantly monitor your renders. This render queue was designed to be simple. Just import or drag your Blender scenes into the application and they will be automatically loaded and ready to be rendered in whatever order you choose. You can enable notifications with or without sound alerts, so you're always informed when a new job finishes rendering or when an error is detected, including a notification window. One of the coolest features is that you can choose whether to shut down, put the computer to sleep, or restart it when a render finishes. For example, you can let your computer render overnight and have it shut down automatically when it's done. In this 3.1 update, we're delivering one of the biggest updates so far, with bug fixes and many new features. So let's start by talking about what's new. We've brought back a feature that existed in Batch Render Creator version 2, the ability to export command line scripts, which actually inspired the name of the application. You can generate batch scripts for Windows, and with Linux support, this allows you to render without using the Batch Render Creator graphical interface. In this update, one of the most requested features by users is back, the ability to change the scene you want to render directly inside Batch Render Creator. Previously, this was only possible using an add-on that acts as a bridge between Blender and the render queue to submit renders. Now, in the Plus version, you can change the scene, and all cameras, frame range, resolution, and output settings will be updated directly in the interface. In addition to that, in the Plus version, you can also change the scene resolution and scale directly inside Batch Render Creator. Another very cool feature is the option to create your own Python scripts to manipulate Blender features during rendering. You can modify properties while the render is running, and in the Scripts window, you can create your scripts and set them for global use. When editing a project, you can also assign a script to run only for that specific project. One important note, you need to know what you're doing. It's very difficult to provide support if the issue is caused by your script, so make sure to test everything before using it in production. The render time calculator has been added back to Batch Render Creator. You can enter how long a single frame takes to render, how many frames will be rendered, and how many machines will be used. You can add the render time of multiple scenes and get an estimated total time for all of them. These calculations can also be exported as a PDF for tracking and budgeting purposes. Check out all the new features and improvements in the release notes. In addition to these new features, several issues have been fixed, especially related to render compatibility between Blender 5 and earlier versions, which were causing unwanted errors when starting new renders. These were extremely important fixes, resulting in better stability for both Blender 4 and Blender 5. If Batch Render Creator sounds like a tool that can help improve your workflow, download the free version right now and try all features for 7 days. If the Plus version features are interesting to you, you can consider upgrading in the future, or simply continue using the free version with fewer features. Thank you to everyone who helps this project grow every day, whether by reporting issues or purchasing the Plus version. And don't forget to follow us on YouTube or Gumroad so you don't miss any updates. See you soon.